Hey guys, and welcome to my mini-series. For the whole month of February, I will be posting one macrame knot or knot pattern a day. Today, I will show you how to create the Chinese crown knot. Start by creating 2 loops across your work with 2 strands of rope. The other 2 strands of rope will be woven into these 2 loops. With your first strand, bring it over the top of the first loop and under the second. Do the same with your second strand. Pull on all 4 strands to tighten the knot. You have now made one knot. I will show you how to make this knot one more time. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm Chantel from Lots of Knots Canada. Find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Please subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I'll be posting a new macrame knot or knot pattern every day in February.